Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce cybersecurity costs with Kaseya easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Kaseya account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your cybersecurity posture. Click on the Cybersecurity tab located on the left-hand menu. Review the available options for security management, which include vulnerability assessments and patch management. Select Vulnerability Assessment to begin identifying potential weaknesses. Run a scan to assess your current cybersecurity landscape. Once the scan is complete, review the report detailing vulnerabilities found. Prioritize the vulnerabilities based on risk level and potential impact. Proceed to the Patch Management section from the menu. Set up automated patching for the systems identified in the assessment. Configure alerts to notify you of new vulnerabilities as they arise. Explore the Incident Response module to streamline your response processes. Develop a response plan based on the types of incidents most likely to occur. Consider utilizing the Backup and Disaster Recovery feature to minimize downtime. Ensure regular backups are scheduled and stored securely. Review your current cybersecurity tools and identify redundancies. Take advantage of Kaseya's integrations to consolidate tools. Check the training resources Kaseya offers to improve staff awareness. Schedule regular training sessions to keep everyone updated on best practices. Monitor your cybersecurity costs through the reporting feature. Analyze trends in your spending to identify areas for potential savings. Make adjustments to your cybersecurity strategy based on your findings. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your cybersecurity costs using Kaseya. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.